Working with dates can be done by functions, but it can as well done with number formats. I have restarted my Excel and set the language settings to not only the language settings to English, but as well the overall settings to English. So now you see it is more the British style of dates and how they are done. But I would like to show you how you can use number formats to specify on specific parts of the day. In here, I just make a reference, I make a reference to the cells to the right, to the left, autofill it down. And now I'm going through several ways of doing number formats. So I'll open the window and you see I choose the custom one. And if I scroll up, you can see already here, you can see DD, MM, YYY, and you have an idea. This stands for days, month, and years. Be careful, if you have a German setup, it would be TT for Tage, not DD for days. So take care how you have set up your Excel now. The number of Ds, if you take D, 1D, 2Ds, 3D, 4Ds, this makes it how the days will look like. Let's start with a D, and I prefer capital Ds, Ms and Ys for dates, and later on small letters H, M and S for hours, minutes and seconds, just to have clear if I'm talking about dates and or hours. Then you see the 8 is display, so just the day, and if I have just one digit is shown. What you can now see is the typical formats for days, month and years. You can either enter 1, 2, 3 or 4 Ds, and the result you can see in the column C. Same for months, for the number of Ms. You can see again in column C the result for the month, for the layout of the month. For the year, you typically take 2 Ys or 4 Ys, depending on if you are satisfied with 2 digits. Otherwise, you take 4 digits. And of course, you can enter more special formats, like for example, more number formats, custom. Okay, I'll show you the window. DD, MM, year. So if you would like to prefer the German style, or you can take more complex things like, again, more number formats, custom, DDDD, the DDMM. So you see Friday the 19th of January 2024. Or even more complex things. For example, if you run your bachelor thesis and would like to make certain announcement and comments from which a certain day a version is taking place, then you can see, for example, version from DDMM. So you see a version from Saturday January 2024. All these kind of things are possible. Yeah, just give it a try and experiment with this kind of layout.